This is 4979. I'm entering at the addition on the back of the building, which is a carport and 2 built-out rooms. This is the end of the building right here, the back side. Okay, so we've got a metal roof, or metal ceiling, excuse me. This is exterior right now. There's a little add-on shed. It's got a light in it, but and it's a concrete floor. It looked like they poured the floor the same time as they did this carport. So walking in, we continue with the metal roof inside the door, which is right here. This is the entry door at the back. There's a fuse box. See the condition. The owner has said he's still working on this property. It was a salvage yard of some type. And this probably was built as a home, but I'd say probably a little more than a third of it is an addition. Here's inside the entry room. This has a ceiling, a low ceiling. This next room also is an addition. This was an exterior window before. These 2 rooms we just came through were added to it. The floor is gone right now. It's a pallet. Okay. The ceiling has been torn off. The insulation is hanging, gone in places. That's a front entry door at the front of the building. I can't imagine what this part of the structure was intended to be. Okay, walking carefully because I'm on a pallet. Okay, now this is the entry, the original, possibly the original entry door. Could have been added later if there was just a front door. And there's a door jamb, but I do not see that the door was hung here. Maybe it was taken out to do these repairs. Okay. Now I've been here a couple minutes, so I've kind of tried to look around, and again, this is an exterior window. It's been drywalled, this whole room. In the last couple of months, I believe. That probably was an air conditioner or a flue. I haven't been able to figure out where the water heater was. There's a couple of pipes here. There's lots of outlets all over this structure. And the plywood floor has not been replaced in this room. This was a door. It's got hinges and also a latch on it. So this is the main room of the previous and this room were the original structure. There's a flue in the ceiling and a tile floor, so I'm assuming this had you can see a little bit of it, fireplace heater to heat the building. And then this room doesn't look like it's been touched yet. That's probably another air conditioner. This here looks like it was the kitchen. You see sink holes there for the sink, and then there's a hole there probably for just the outflow. I have not seen any evidence of a bathroom in this house. That's the carpet that's being torn up or removed. This home or building does not have a septic, and the owner acknowledged that there's no evidence really of a septic that he knows of. So you might have had a do-it-yourself bathroom in this place. Here's wiring over here. So this would have been maybe kitchen counter going around the wall right to there where the floor changes. So this is one big giant piece of work. No knowledge if people were